In the equity quadrant today, taking a look at the June Dow Jones futures contract. New record high and new record high close today. All three major U.S. indices finished the day higher today, but the Dow was special at a new record. 34,451 was that new record high. Close was just below that. On the high, we were up 97 basis points. On the close, we were up 93 basis points. So both just short of 1% higher. On the downside, 34,074 was the low. So we held above that 34,000 level. That was down 13 basis points. This is the sixth time the Dow has closed above 34,000, but never this high. It led all four U.S. indices up. As I mentioned, the big three were up on the day. The Russell was slightly lower, a little bit more than a half, 1% down for the Russell. Now, the leaders were pretty strong in the Dow. Cisco, Goldman Sachs, IBM, JP Morgan, all up over 2%. Home Depot up over 1.5%, and Apple and Microsoft both up around 1.33%. So very strong for the biggest components in the Dow. Only three negatives in the Dow 30 today. So a very strong day for the index. Despite only being up 1%, that may not seem like much, but given the sort of sideways / weakness we've had over the last few days, and given the move down in yields being supportive of some of these things, all 11 sectors were higher today, and the leading sectors were financials and consumer staples, which of course very well represented in the Dow as well. Second was consumer services, tech sector, which helped turn the NASDAQ positive. Now tomorrow we've got the non-farm payrolls number, and the jobs potential, the jobs predictions for this particular number have gotten more and more aggressive all week long. We saw a miss on ADP earlier in the week. That didn't really change anything, but this morning we had the jobless claims figure, which got below 500,000 on the weekly number for the first time since the pandemic began. So that pushed a bunch of the estimates for tomorrow's number even a little bit higher. Right now, the high that I'm finding is 2 million for tomorrow's non-farm payrolls number. That's very strong. The range is about 500,000 to about 2 million, and the median number is just above 1 million now on that prediction. So all of that was pretty strong for the Dow, acting as a tailwind. We saw that in the record high close today.